In this video, you're going to learn how to use AI to sell your products or services 100 times faster. It doesn't matter if you run an online store, you run a physical store, or no matter the kind of business you do, be it health, be it beauty, be it clothing, apparel, jewelries, no matter the kind of business you do. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to use AI to sell out your product very fast, and this method has proved very helpful to me personally. It's something that I have implemented personally and it has worked for me, and I'm here to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to implement this method, and it's going to help you as well. So please don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss any of the important tips I'll be giving you towards the end of this video. Stick with me and let's dive straight into the video. So the tool we are going to be using is Gemini AI. This tool is going to help you to sell out your product very well, and I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide right now. Follow this step. For example, if you sell outfits, if you sell outfits, like for me personally, what I deal on is wears, be it footwears, kids wears, adult wears. So this is why I use AI to help promote my business and to help get more sales. Okay, for example, if I have a picture of my product or a wear that I snapped personally with my phone, so I'm going to show you now how I do it. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and use one of these pictures that I just created. I just snapped some days ago. Okay, so the picture is actually loading now. So after you've gotten the picture of your product, you can just snap it with your phone. I just wore this clothes that I want to sell on my mannequin. Okay, you can just snap it, like keep it on a mat or on the floor or anywhere, or get a picture of it online and just snap. So what I'm going to do now is to say make a model where these outfit and beautify it. Okay, beautify it. Sorry about that. Beautify it. Okay, so to be more specific, if you want your model to be an African model, you can actually specify it here. If you want the age, like this outfit now can be good for a 7-year-old, so I will now say make an African model wear this outfit. So I've put in an African model. I can now put it in bracket the age that I want it to be, like 7 years old. I'll just put that in brackets so that, okay, so here is my prompt that I've given to this Gemini AI now. So I say make an African model, 7 years old, wear this outfit and beautify it. So let's hit go and see how it's going to look like. The outcome is going to give you. And when you actually send this picture, like look at this picture. If I send it like this to my customers, or if I'm running an online store and I upload this online, I will definitely have poor sales, because the image, the quality I'm getting here, because of my camera, is not reflecting the quality of how this cloth actually looks. So let us scroll down now and see the beauty it has given us now. So it's a short. Here is the image. So just take a look at this image now. If your customer wants to buy an item and you say yes, what do you have available, and you say yes, I have this available, this means that yes, you have actually sold that product to another person, and maybe the person snapped his or her child. This is actually an AI picture, but you can also crop out this logo here and send it out to your customers, or use it to promote your business online. This is just one. So let me use another example. So another example, for example, you're a fashion designer, and let me just choose this outfit and said make a model where these let me change that. Make a model where these, okay, let me make some adjustment, make a beautiful curvy model wear these outfits. And okay, let me just leave that, let me just leave it at this outfit. Okay, and give it a go. So let's just wait for a few seconds and let's see the outcome, the beautiful outcome this AI is going to give us. Because when you're selling clothes and people see how beautiful that cloth fits, then they will definitely buy it. Okay, so let's scroll down and see. Oh my god, can you take a look at this? Tell me, if your client sees this kind of outfit, they will be pushed to buy. Because see, look at how beautiful it is. It looks so good. So you tap on that arrow and it will download straight into your phone. So here is another example, and as you can see, they said image downloaded. So the image has stored into my phone. So let's do another one again. All right, let's just scroll down and let me choose another example. Like if you sell shoes, okay, if you sell children's shoes or adult shoes, you can actually use this example for any shoes at all. So I will say make a model wear this shoe, and I need to specify the color I want the model to wear, this black shoe. All right, so after that we are going to wait for it to be fully loaded so that we'll give it a go and see what the outcome is going to look like. Then remember, you can twist the prompt to fit whatever you are selling. Whatever product you're selling, you can actually twist this prompt to fit it. Okay, so I want the model to wear the black of this particular shoe. So let's just wait a little. It said generating image, and in just few seconds our image is going to be ready. So take a look at this, take a look at this. I actually like the picture. Wow, this is beautiful, and it's exactly the image I gave it that it's use the model to wear. But the model is wearing a socks, so I don't want it to wear a socks. I'll just say remove the socks. Okay, as simple as that. Then I hit on go, so that it will give us the real look of what it's going to look like. Okay, imagine if someone wants to buy this shoe from you and you send this picture to that person. It's going to actually motivate the person to get the product ASAP. Can you take a look at this? Take a look at this, and I've downloaded it directly into my phone. These are the beautiful products I have in my shop. So if you like this one you're seeing, it's available. Oh, let me just tell you now, this one is available exactly as seen. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that one was for a shoe. So let's do another one for a sandal. Okay, so let's take another image of that I have available. Then I'll say make a model wear this sandal. Okay, make your prompt as simple as possible. Okay, and give it a go. Let us see the outcome is going to give us. Instead of just sending the picture like this, fitting is very important when in business. Like if your customer are able to see how the cloth is going to look like. That's why people buy mannequins to keep in their shop and display their service, their products. Okay, so take a look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So this is how you're going to use AI to sell out your products very fast, and it's going to help you to sell it massively. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials.